You should have a master spreadsheet to track everything. Every post, publish date, category, all the things. There's 3 tabs that make up my spreadsheet: the Master, Competitor, and Mindmap tabs. Hi, I'm Wesley with Niche Site Dojo, and while you're here, please like this video and subscribe. Let's go take a look at this master spreadsheet. Here we have the Master tab. We cover our categories, our statuses, our main keyword or topic, sub-keywords, word count, template, link to the post, the date it was published, the date it was updated, and how old the post is. In the Competitor tab, we cover their topic, their domain URL, the authority, their total keywords, total organic traffic, the date we checked them, and the age of since the last time we checked. The last tab in my master spreadsheet is going to be the Mindmap tab. I use this tab for brainstorming content clusters, organizing categories for our expansion, and it guides the direction of our site. Any competitors I'm taking inspiration from, I'll add them here under a favorites heading. If you're watching this and haven't taken my course, you can get a copy of this master spreadsheet from my site, link in the description below. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more.